Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Copilot generated content into a Word file in just 2 clicks. It's super handy. For example, if you've generated notes or any content using a Copilot prompt, you can quickly store it in Word for later use. Alright, now let's dive straight into the demo so you can see exactly how it works. First, open the Copilot chat interface. Now you can see here I just give the notes on SharePoint about framework. Now as you can see here Copilot instantly generates detailed notes on the SharePoint framework, right here in the chat window. To export this content into Word, simply click on the Edit in Page icon below. Now you'll see a preview panel open on the right side. At the top, there's a Word icon. Just click on it. Here, you can see a pop-up appear. It just takes a moment, and then the content is exported into a Word file. Here you can easily rename Word file and save it easily. And that's it. In just 2 clicks, you can export your Copilot content straight into Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.